Hi everybody, this is Janet D, the PT. As a licensed physical therapist, I love finding products for my clients, who tend to be 65 plus, usually with an illness or injury that we're having to address. But today's video is going to be a product review about the DeChoker. Ready? Let's go. All right, you guys, so I ordered the DeChoker on Amazon because one of my clients had a concern about choking and swallowing. And so I ordered this product just to check it out for him and to come up with an idea of how to put his mind at ease. So what's so awesome about this product is that here's a great box and it already comes pre-assembled. Okay, so I got the adult version. I love working with adults. Okay, so when we take a closer look at the DeChoker, okay, we can see that one, it's already pre-assembled, but on top of it, it provides instructions in two different ways. Okay, so it comes with this nifty instruction guide. Okay, and I think that is so important to learn how to use it the right way based off of what the manufacturer built it for. Okay, but on top of it, not only do you have these awesome instructions, but when you go to actually use the product, the instructions are right there on the product, walking you through how to use it. But on top of that, you know, I've been in these scenarios where somebody was choking and having to call a code blue. Okay, that's when somebody can't breathe. And when you're in the moment, I mean, you don't have time to think, you got to act. Okay, and so by having these pictures actually on the product of how to use it, it really helps improve the chances of actually displacing the food that gets caught. And so it uses a suction. Okay, so here's the suction part. And then the tip goes inside the person's mouth. And then it gets stuck here on the tips, right? So then that way you can dislodge it. Okay. So if you really like this video, if you have any other questions, go ahead and post them down in my comment section. I would love to hear your feedback. If you like this video, go ahead and press like, share, subscribe, tell your friends and neighbors. Janet D, the PT.